In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Coinbase Wallet app, whether you're just starting your crypto journey or looking to enhance your current setup. Getting familiar with a wallet like Coinbase is essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to download and install the Coinbase Wallet app. Head over to your device's App Store or Google Play Store, search for Coinbase Wallet, and tap Download. Once it's installed, open the app, and you'll see the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. If you already have a wallet elsewhere and want to manage it on Coinbase, choose the import option. Otherwise, let's create a new wallet so you can have a fresh start. Next, you'll want to set up a secure PIN for added protection. In some cases, you might be able to enable biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint or facial recognition, to make accessing your wallet more convenient and secure. Choose an option that best suits your security needs while maintaining ease of access. If you're creating a new wallet, you'll be given a unique 12-word recovery phrase. This is a crucial component of your wallet setup. It's essentially the master key to your funds, so make sure to write down these words in the exact order and store them in a safe and secure location, away from prying eyes and potential threats. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet and essentially take control of your assets. Once your wallet is set up, receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. From the app, tap on Receive and choose the asset you wish to receive. You'll be shown your wallet address, which you can either copy to share with others or display a QR code for easy scanning. This address is the unique key that allows transactions to be securely sent to your wallet. Sending cryptocurrency is just as easy. Tap Send, and you will be prompted to enter the recipient's address or scan their QR code directly. Then input the amount you'd like to send, double check all the details to ensure accuracy, and confirm the transaction. This method is efficient, ensuring your crypto reaches the intended destination without a hitch. For those interested in exploring more, the app offers an Explore or dApps browser feature. This allows you to interact with a variety of decentralized applications, opening up endless possibilities within the crypto space. Lastly, monitoring your assets is key to effective management. From the home screen, you'll have a clear overview of your portfolio and transaction history, helping you stay informed and make data-driven decisions about your holdings. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started and making the most out of your Coinbase wallet experience.